Hello guys, Softony here, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create smooth, seamless motion background in After Effects. Perfect for loops, intros or any design project. So hit the like button, subscribe and let's get started. Alright guys, here we are in After Effects and now let's create new composition. Hit here to create new comp and I will rename it Final Full HD 30 FPS, and as usual I will go 10 seconds long. You can type whatever number you want here. Now let's hit OK, let's go right click and find here new solid layer, and I will just rename it BG for background and then hit OK. Now let's go here inside the effects and presets, find fill effect, this one, and just drag and drop onto our background. And for this color, I will do white color and then hit OK. Now let's go right click to create another solid layer, and this is gonna be radio waves. OK, also full HD, hit OK, go here back in the effects and presets and let's type the same effect, radio waves, drag and drop onto our solid layer. And here let's make further adjustments. As you can see, we already have this shape. This is already pre-simulated effect. When you hit 0, you will have the animation like this one. Okay, let's make some adjustments. Here for the wave type, instead of polygon, change to image contours. Okay, and now let's also change some options here inside wave motion section. And for the frequency, I will type 2, and for the expansion, I will go maybe 8. Now let's go here to stroke, find here start width, I will go 50. Okay, now we have the shape like this one, and this is already looking cool. Now select this radio waves, solid layer, go right click, find here pre-compose, and let's also make sure to select this second option, move all attributes into the new composition, and let's rename. This is gonna be just radio waves comp. You can type of course whatever you want here, and now let's hit OK. Now we will also create adjustment layer here inside the final comp. Go right click, find here new adjustment layer. Okay, and this is gonna be Caustics. Okay, select this adjustment layer, go back here inside the effects and presets and type Caustics effect. This one, simulation, drag and drop onto our adjustment layer. And let's also turn off visibility for this radio waves comp. We don't need to see it. We will just use this composition as a reference. Okay, change the surface color to white color. Hit OK, and for the water surface, find here radio waves composition. And now as you can see, we will have shape like this one. And one thing we have forgotten to do inside this radio waves comp, go inside, hit F3 if you can't see this effect control, and here inside the stroke section for the profile, change from square to bell. And now when we go back here inside final comp, we will have look like this. Okay, now select everything here inside the final composition, go right click, recompose, this is gonna be part 1, also select the second option, hit OK. Now let's hit Ctrl+D or go edit and then duplicate, and now let's go back here inside the effects and presets and let's type find edges effect. Drag and drop onto our first part of one composition and also check this invert option here. And now as you can see, we will have this cool looking pattern here inside the final composition. When you hit 0, just wait until this renders out here inside the final composition. And you can also change here from full to maybe quarter, just to see a faster preview. Okay, I will go back maybe to half, somewhere around here. And this is gonna be our cool looking seamless pattern animation. Also, in every moment you are free to open up this part of one composition, go here inside the radio waves comp, hit here on this radio waves solid layer. Okay, and also you can play around with a bunch of different options here. For example, spin, let's try maybe 100. Also you can try change velocity, and every option here, it's up to you to play around with. And when you go back here inside the final composition, you can see that we have created different pattern and this is looking cool. Okay, and for the end what you can do is to go right click to create another adjustment layer, and this is gonna be exposure, like so, drag and drop and move it above this part of one composition, find here exposure effect, color correction, this one, and just drag and drop onto our adjustment layer. And here you can play around also with the exposure and maybe gamma correction, it's up to you. And as you can see, this is gonna be our cool looking pattern. I'll just go back here inside the radio waves composition and I will just hit for the spin 0 back again, and here inside the final composition we will have this cool look. Alright guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and also you can drop me a comment down below in the comment section, and you can also take a look at my channel, at my profile for even more great tutorials. All the links are in the description, so take a look, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye!